Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to create php.ini file in cpanel. So at first go to your cpanel and here search file manager, click on it. Now here create new file, click new file. Here input php.ini and then click on the create new file. Okay, now go to Google, search php.ini file code. Here click on GitHub, copy this code, and now click on php.ini, click on edit, and I can click on edit, paste the code, and then click on the save changes. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.